couple na darating sa araw na yon si Piolo Pascual. Kung saan tatayong isa sa mga ninang ng ikakasal ay si Sharon Cuneta. But credit goes to Augie's ex-wife Michelle Van Aimrin, who came home to oversee important details of the wedding.
Ikaw pala nag-chismis nun eh.
Hindi alam nila eh. Now, she was here for about a week. Tapos, tinulungan niya kami dun sa, kailangan niyang makita yung venue. Nag-ocular siya. Tapos, nakapag-usap siya dun sa mga gagawa din, mga kasama niyang gagawa ng mga bulaklak.
She met with her co-florists kasi yung flower arrangements for the wedding. May sponsors din kami, no? Si na Teddy at si Badang, no? So Michelle is helping out and she's also doing Regine's bouquet and the entourage.
Siya yung may gusto talaga na yun yung gawin niya. Kasi gusto niya, she wanted to make it special for me.
She came also for, moral support dahil alam niya na medyo madami rin akong inatupag, no?
Ano naman ang magiging partisipasyon ng dalawang anak ni Augie kay Michelle?
Lila is maid of honor siya. And excited naman yung anak ko. In fact, I'm leaving on Sunday, so makikita ko yung mga anak ko next week. So magkakabalitaan kami kung ano na talaga yung gusto nilang isuot kasi we gave them a free hand also on what they really want to wear. Pero of course, in conformity with the motive.
Meron kasi akong mga gagawin so hindi ako makakasya.
Samantala, saan naman ang kanilang honeymoon?
Mas gusto ko talaga Europe kasi hindi pa kami nakakapag kaming dalawa lang nakapag-Europe ng kaming dalawa lang, and there's a very romantic place in Italy called Positano.
The couple cannot be proud and excited enough to announce their altar date.
And yes, it's on December 22 at Punta Fuego.